JFIN stock analysis tomorrow and onward. In this 1 minute video, I'm telling you whether Jiayin Group stock is a buy or not for me. Jiayin, whatever the pronunciation is. But actually, as I'm looking at it, it seems like a pretty bullish market. I know I have like earnings report. Context, I've made 41,000 videos, been in the market for 5 years. It's all documented on my YouTube channel. You cannot fake this sort of stuff, you know. So I've seen what's working for me and what's not. Now, specifically JFIN, first things first is I like the bullish market. And the way that I'm looking to milk this whole thing here is that this is like the bigger demand. But like lower time from here, if I see, I'm just hoping I see a little correction down. So then I can buy as long as the rules are met. And if they're not, then why the heck would I be buying? I will not. So if you want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading, just click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I'll continue to keep you updated. But other than that, everything else is pure noise. Goodbye and enjoy.